The amnesty is very important in the peace process, especially now na nagkakaroon, honestly ma'am, nagkakaroon ng lamat po, nagkakaroon ng trust issue ang mga kababayan namin Bangsamoro because of some which we maybe call it as an spoiler of peace, no? So because of this some spoiler of peace, nagiging malaki ang impact niya sa peace process. Kasi nga naapektuhan yung mga usaping pangkapayapaan natin dito. Siguro marami nagtatanong bakit kailangan ng partnership ni BHRC and the National Amnesty Commission. Actually, we are not doing this for our respective agencies, but we are doing this for our people. So, because of that, when President Marcos renewed the effectivity of the National Amnesty Commission, nagkaroon ng idea ang commission itself na why not, even without the MOA at that time, is magkaroon na rin din ang commission na to educate the Bangsamoro people about amnesty. Then I would like to inform the National Amnesty Commission that early this year, in first quarter and second quarter, we made an instruction to all provincial directors all over the BARM ng Bangsamoro Human Rights Commission, even the outside BARM, nagkanda ko kami ng mass human rights education on amnesty. This is a commitment of the Bangsamoro Human Rights Commission to promote and protect the right of our fellow Bangsamoro. Kasi alam natin, andyan ang amnesty, andyan ang executive order, andyan ang batas, but the question, how would these people understand the amnesty? What are the consequences if a person or a Bangsamoro applied for amnesty? Di ba? Ang daming question. So, nagkaroon ng idea ang Human Rights Commission, na to share a little knowledge about the amnesty. And alhamdulillah, even hindi man namin na-touch the whole Bangsamoro communities, but at least a big portion of it, we're able to share our little knowledge about amnesty. But hindi ho dyan nagtatapos ang commitment ng Bangsamoro Human Rights Commission. Our advocacy to promote and protect the rights of our fellow Bangsamoro still continue. Sabi nga namin, hindi pa nagtatapos ang advokasya ni BHRC to promote and protect the right of our fellow Bangsamoro, but ito'y magko-continue hanggang sa pagtatapos ng amnesty program ng national government. So our commitment for this peace process, our commitment to serve our fellow Bangsamoro will continue until the last or until the implementation of the program of the National Amnesty Commission. This is a very important in the peace process. It's a very big, bakit importante ito? It's a trust building ang amnesty na to. Ma-share ko lang din, ma'am, kasi this recently, may mga operation na rin po ang mga law enforcers natin sa mga members din po ng rebel group. So kaya nga nasasabi ko kanina, ma'am, nagkakaroon ng lamat po, nagkakaroon ng mistrust ng mga fellow Bangsamoro natin because of some spoiler. So I think kailangan din natin itong gawaan or pagbigyan ng pansin, no? And actually, last month, one of the high-ranking official of the MLF went to my office concerning the different charges against their members. So kaya nga, I find it very crucial and very important to participate in this kind of activity or in this noble work of amnesty kasi it affects not only the Bangsamoro people but the Bangsamoro communities. Damay-damay ho ito, ma'am. Kaya nga it's very important that this program will be successful and every individual who are attached to this work should commit themselves para sa programang ito.
One PHRC, one